STEM Kazakh Traditional Song Original Teaching Methods and Reporter. Purpose: Determining an effective methodology for teaching traditional song, increasing the repertoire. The main problems: First, demonstrated the prerequisites for teaching traditional songs. Second, inclusion of rare and non-performing songs in the program. Third, publishing songs from the archive. The theoretical significance of my dissertation is to bring to light traditional songs from the archive, songs that are rarely performed and not performed at all, add to the repertoire for performers, and the practical significance of the song is that they are recorded and completed about the author and the history of the song, recommended for use in music educational institutions. Conclusions: To conduct a stylistic analysis of songs, pay attention to the methodology of teaching dombra, methods of teaching traditional singing, and publishing a collection of songs.